Hello, welcome at 10 Commandments for Stock Investment YouTube channel. Companies are facing inflation, too. These three haven't raised prices yet. July 15, 2021 by Jacob Sonenshine. As inflation pushes costs higher for companies, pressure is mounting to pass along costs to consumers. To the detriment of profit expectations and stock prices, however, many firms say they can't raise prices immediately. Cost pressures made landfall in recent months, and some stocks experienced a low to mid-single-digit sell-off post-earnings because of the reported timing gap between these higher costs and their future offsetting price increases, writes Chris Harvey, head of equity strategy at Wells Fargo. Indeed, costs are rising for companies across the board and show little sign of slowing soon as demand surges amid the reopening economy. The Producer Price Index for June, a measure of wholesale inflation, was up 7.3% year-over-year versus estimates of 6.8%. Companies are racing to meet strong demand by buying materials and inputs that are in short supply. To be sure, some companies are already passing costs along, as the Consumer Price Index also beat estimates this week, reflecting higher prices paid by households. But select companies aren't able to aggressively raise prices immediately, hurting their earnings forecasts and their shares. Wells Fargo mentioned several companies that fit the description. General Mills, GIS, the food company said on its earnings call that higher pricing will kick in toward the second half of the year and that EPS could fall 2% for fiscal year 2022. The firm cited the inflationary cost environment as one driver of the poor profit outlook on its earnings release. The stock is down 1.5% since its June 30 earnings. A comment by Bob Cristofano. General Mills has already taken price increases. I would expect many CPG companies to raise prices with little lead time, not allowing a surge in demand at the lower prices. Retailers love to forward buy to boost their margins, but it plays against the manufacturer. Not sure if this is happening yet, but I do remember the days of sudden death price increases. Might we see them again? General Mills, GIS, accelerate strategy bodes well amid high costs. By Vrishali Bagri, Thursday, July 15, 2021. General Mills Incorporated GIS has been focused on its Accelerate strategy, which was unveiled in February 2021. In fact, the company's core priorities for fiscal 2022 also go in line with its Accelerate strategy. However, input cost inflation is a concern for the company, as evident from fourth quarter fiscal 2021 results and management's guidance for fiscal 2022. God is good, all the time. All the time, God is good.